In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a freelance portfolio using Notion. A strong portfolio is one of the most important tools you have as a freelancer. It showcases what you do, how you think, and why clients should trust you with their projects. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly set up a clean, professional portfolio using a ready-made Notion template, so you can focus more on your work and less on design. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want your portfolio to live. Once you're in, look for the Marketplace option. This is usually found in the sidebar or under Templates, depending on your layout. The Marketplace is where Notion keeps a library of pre-built pages you can install with a single click, which makes it perfect for getting started fast. When the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search bar and type Freelance Portfolio. Take a moment to check your spelling so you get the most relevant results. After a second, Notion will show you a list of templates that match that phrase. Now, look through the results and find the template that's specifically labeled as a freelance portfolio. You can usually click on it to open a preview. This lets you scroll through the layout and see sections like an about area, services, case studies, testimonials, and contact details. Spend a moment here to make sure the structure fits the kind of work you do, whether that's design, writing, development, or something else. Once you've found the template you like, it's time to add it to your workspace. In the template preview, find the button that says Add or something similar. Click on Add and Notion will automatically duplicate that template into your own workspace. This might take a few seconds. After it's added, you'll see the new portfolio page appear in your sidebar. From here, you can start customizing it. Replace the placeholder text with your name, your bio, and your services. Swap in your own project images and descriptions, and adjust colors or icons to match your personal brand. And that's it. By using the Notion Marketplace and a freelance portfolio template, you've created a solid foundation you can keep updating as you complete new projects and grow your freelance career.